Experience the thrill of attractions with one of our loaded packages, starting at just $22. From Journey Behind the Falls, at the very base of the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, to a ride over the vibrant, teal-colored waters of the Niagara River in the historic Whirlpool Aero Car, and the serene setting of the Butterfly Conservatory, there's no shortage of adventure to discover. Get ready for a memorable experience. Explore our packages to get started. The first one is Niagara Falls Pass. Save 38% on the ultimate adventure. The Niagara Falls Pass is your ticket to the most popular experiences Niagara has to offer. This loaded bundle includes admission to 5 epic attractions: Journey Behind the Falls, Butterfly Conservatory, Whirlpool Aero Car, Whitewater Walk, Floral Show House, 2-day Falls Incline Railway, 48-hour WeGo, as well as discounts across Niagara Park's culinary locations and gift shops. Enjoy endless fun with the Niagara Falls Pass. The next one is Niagara Falls Adventure Pass, Classic Plus WeGo. Save on top Niagara attractions. Make more memories at Niagara Falls, Canada's must-do signature attractions at a discounted price. Our Niagara Falls Adventure Pass includes Journey Behind the Falls, Niagara's Fury, Whitewater Walk and 48-hour WeGo. If you are short on time, but still want to experience the thrill of Niagara Falls, the Niagara Falls Adventure Pass with WeGo has you covered. This hassle-free package is the best way to enjoy an unforgettable adventure with admission to 2 of Niagara Park's breathtaking attractions and discounts across our culinary locations and gift shops. Hop on. Hop off visitor transportation system that connects all Niagara Park's locations to your hotel and other Niagara Falls tourism areas with WeGo. The third one is Niagara Falls Adventure Pass, Classic. It includes Journey Behind the Falls, Niagara's Fury and Whitewater Walk. You can save 30% on top Niagara attractions. This hassle-free package is the best way to enjoy an unforgettable adventure with admission to 2 of Niagara Park's breathtaking attractions and discounts across our culinary locations and gift shops. The fourth one is Niagara Attraction Package. You can save more on the ultimate adventure. The Niagara Attraction Package is your ticket to the most popular experiences Niagara has to offer. This loaded bundle includes admission to 6 epic attractions, including Journey Behind the Falls, Butterfly Conservatory, Niagara's Fury, Whirlpool Aero Car, Whitewater Walk, and Floral Show House, as well as discounts across Niagara Park's culinary locations and gift shops. Enjoy endless fun with the Niagara Attraction Package. The fifth one is Niagara Park's Power Pass with Guided Tour. You will get the opportunity to access daytime guided tour and tunnel access and nighttime currents show. 2 attractions in one include a guided tour and admission to the power station during regular daytime hours, followed by Currents, Niagara's power transformed at night. Please keep in mind that while Currents have timed reservations, your daytime power station admission can be used on any day during regular daytime hours of operation. What you should know before you go. The Niagara Park's Power Station Tunnel is a 2,200-foot-long tunnel that leads to the river's edge. The tunnel is 180 feet underground and about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Consider dressing appropriately and bringing a light jacket. Please keep in mind that there are no restrooms in the tunnel, so make a quick pit stop before your descent. On the power station's generator floor, there are fully accessible restrooms. Number 6 is Niagara Heritage Package. You will get the opportunity to explore 2 heritage attractions in one, the Old Fort Erie and Laura Secord Homestead. Travel to the edge of the Niagara River in Fort Erie to experience the sights and sounds of a fort under siege at this War of 1812 National Historic Site. Take a tour of the grounds with British, First Nations, and American soldiers to learn more about Niagara's pivotal role in the War of 1812. With daily tours, musket demonstrations, and the annual Siege of Old Fort Erie reenactment, visitors can travel back in time and relive history. During the War of 1812, a brave woman embarked on a perilous journey in the service of her country, forever altering Niagara's history and folklore. travel back in time to the lovingly restored Laura Secord Homestead and be enchanted by stories of her adventures and surroundings as interpreted by authentically costumed guides. All the passes are valid for use beginning May 1st, 2022, until October 31st, 2022. Whether you want to experience everything in one day or spread your admissions out over your entire visit, it's totally up to you. When you buy your pass online, you can print your tickets from home, and bring them to any Niagara Parks Welcome Center or attraction to redeem for your full package, including a scan card loaded with attraction admissions, coupons, and a full map of Niagara Parks so you'll have no problem exploring.